Greetings, fellow YouTubers. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Thor. If you're new to my channel, I have been sent to your world on a sacred secret quest, which you can learn about in my first video. In my journey thus far to become a mighty, beastly, kingly YouTuber, I have used one program, Playground AI, to generate all of the AI images for my videos. I have been doing extensive research into a different AI image generation program to use and experiment with, and I have set my sights on Leonardo AI. In this video, I'm going to take you through a basic tutorial and explore it with you in case you want to join me on my adventure, or in case you simply want to experiment with a unique AI program. When you get to Leonardo.ai, it opens up to this homepage with a ginger woman with pink, blue, and oranges for hair and an adorable space cat. You simply click Get Started to get started, and it takes you to a sign-up page where you can sign up with an email. It's super straightforward and intuitive. This warrior space angel with piercing purple eyes must be artwork someone developed with Leonardo. When you get into the homepage, it opens up to offer a wide range of image and video creation options that can initially seem quite overwhelming. It's not as complicated as it appears. On the top left, you'll see your profile name with 150 tokens, which is your daily respawning in-app currency for producing images. In the free plan, this translates to 6 batches of 4 images or 24 free images a day. That's 200 free AI images a month you can use for video content creation. Quite impressive for a free program. As you scroll down on the left, you'll notice the 6 main features for Leonardo AI, ranging from image creation, to adding motion to pictures, to real-time canvas, to real-time generation, to canvas editor, to the universal upscaler. You'll also notice these same options are arrayed horizontally across the top of the page. Moving down the center of the screen, you'll see 4 tutorials that break down utilizing the app to its full potential. Underneath the tutorials, you'll see a running list of images that were created and shared by individual users with the community. Scrolling down, you can see the app has a wide array of art styles you can draw out of it to produce images. What's really great about this feature is that you can pull up and see the individual text that the creator used to create the specific image, copy it if you want to, and/or select the remix option to go straight into the main image generation with the same text preloaded. Let's pull up the description for this vibrant watercolor portrait of a cat listening to headphones and take a look at the full description of the image that user Charlie San created. If you look at the top, you'll see this mini copy button, which will copy the prompt used to design the image to your clipboard. You can manually go back to the main page and click on the image generation option and paste it in, or simply come down here and select the remix option, which will likewise take you to the main image generation page and automatically fill in the text for you. If you look along the left of the screen, you'll see different sub-options you can work with and change, including the AI image generation model, an option to have the AI enhance the prompt, style, contrast, dimensions of the image, etc. On the free plan, you can only select the 4 image option, unfortunately, but with 200 free images a month, it's not too terrible. If you look at the bottom, you'll see your most recent image generation history. For my first image, I experimented with a super simple prompt to produce a Viking king who seems obsessed with holding the blade of his flaming longsword for some reason. If you look at the text box on the top of the screen, you'll see the cat watercolor portrait prompt we had automatically filled in by selecting the remix option earlier. Just for fun, I'm going to go in and change all of the references of the cat to Thor as an experiment to see what the AI model produces for us. As you can see, Leonardo is quite adept and brilliant and produced 4 exceptionally unique and beautiful images from the prompt we told it to use. Hypothetically, you could save these images, create a unique personalized Printify store or Amazon store, etc., like my Printify store, which you can find in the description, and sell posters of these images. AI-produced images are copyright-free and can be used commercially for your business endeavors. Let's go back to the home page. Unfortunately, the motion or video option isn't available for free plans, but one of the most exciting and unique options of Leonardo AI that I've been most excited to experiment with is the real-time canvas option. Inside, you'll see an image I created recently of a magical tree with a northern lights type effect I inadvertently created. I loved the image, so I thought I'd leave it up for you to look at. If you look on the left side of the screen, you'll see an option to add an image to start with, followed by an option to have Leonardo create an image for you to start with, followed by an option that lets you select individual components on the canvas, followed by an erase option, followed by the brush and/or your painting tool, and finally at the bottom, a clear the canvas option. If you look along the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text bar, which is where you'll put instructions for the AI on how to interpret your image, followed by a creativity slider. The higher the number, the greater amount of freedom the AI is given to extrapolate from the original image. Immediately following the slider is a menu to cycle through various preset art styles, and finally, an option to switch between interactive and real-time mode. Real-time is only available through paid plans and automatically gives you a more clear image. In interactive mode, you have to select the instant refine option along the top right, but for a free plan, it's still exceptionally unique. Along the top, you'll see an output to input option, which allows you to put your new created image into the canvas box and layer the images and/or add to them if you like your new image and want to extrapolate with it. Just for fun, I'm going to clear my image and create a brand new image to show you how it works. Just in case an AI demon breaks out of another dimension and tries to take over the world's AI programs, let's try and make a flaming samurai sword we can battle said demon with. All as it takes is a little bit of experimentation, and you can quickly produce almost anything your mind can imagine. Check it out. Not bad for being a complete newbie to Leonardo AI, if I do say so myself. Which I do. This samurai blade would certainly kill countless AI demons. If you enjoyed my video today, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your amigos and fellow warriors. If you look in the description for the video, you'll see links to my store where you can get unique swag from the channel, from posters to cell phone cases to Team Thor AI coffee. You'll also see a link to create your very own Printify store and help me in my quest to raise up an army of entrepreneurs. Remember to always be true and courageous. And remember that love is the greatest and most powerful force in the universe. Until next time, my friends, Thor out.